everyone, it's Kat. I'm here back at work actually to tell you about the July grab and go kit. So this month I've got kind of an interesting craft for you. So in your kit you'll get a cigar box, which is kind of just like a cool wooden box. You'll get some Mod Podge, you'll get a foam brush, and you'll get some magazine pages. So some of them have interesting pictures, and some of them just have like, you know, kind of pretty colors. So you'll have a variety of those, and the goal is to cut out the pictures that you like and then glue them onto the cigar box to decorate it. So you'll definitely need some scissors, and you might want to have some other pages at home, like if you have some cool artwork that you want to use, that's great. So I'm not going to show you step by step what exactly to do. Basically, you'll cut out your pictures, you'll dab a little bit of glue on the box where you want the picture to go, and then you'll stick it down, and then you'll just brush more Mod Podge over it. So you'll put Mod Podge underneath and then brush it over the image to kind of like seal it down. So I can show you this one that I made a few years ago, and I can show you like kind of what not to do, because I tried to cut out like a piece of paper like the exact size of the side of the box, you know, as a background, which like was fine, but you can see the edges now. This is probably like 5 years ago. The edges are really peeling up. So I kind of suggest like cutting your images small enough that you can really seal down the whole edge, that it's not like flush with the corner of your box. But you know, this still looks pretty cool, so it's really up to you how you want to do it. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoy this craft. It's really fun. And I'll see you next time. Bye.